Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. Here is an update regarding TS Inter results 2026. As per a leading Telugu newspaper, the results of the intermediate examination will be announced by April 10th. The Inter board hopes to release it on April 6th if possible. Since junior colleges are set to reopen from June 1st, it has also directed that supplementary examinations be conducted for failed students and their results be declared by May 31st. Evaluation has been going on in full swing across the state since March 15th. This time, the timing of the spot centers have been increased by 2 hours. Till last year, the evaluation was conducted from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This time, the DIEOs have ordered that the hours should be from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Last year, the inter results were released on April 22 and the supplementary results on June 16th. Teachers say that they are giving 45 answer sheets per day. Some teachers are expressing their concern that in the past 30 papers were given per day, but now 45 are being given. How can we increase the time and give more answer sheets? There is a lack of concentration. This leads to mistakes and harm to the students, said a teacher participating in the Warangal camp. When asked for an explanation from Interboard Secretary Krishna Aditya, he said that they had told him to increase the number of papers to 40. He said that steps will be taken to ensure that no more than that is given. He clarified that those who want to celebrate Ugadi and Ramzan festival can take leave without attending the evaluation and that no one is being forced to attend, but the camps will continue. Some students were asking regarding grace marks for different subjects of TS Inter, but the real thing is that there is no official news regarding grace marks, so do not trust fake news. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.